today we're gonna be going to the beach. We haven't went to the water with our official stuff, so
our swimsuits.
Yeah, our swimsuits. They're up there. Okay,
up
Stella
there,
fam,
there's a
let's
crescent
get going. And we are at Benicia Beach. And we have to walk through a couple of grass, so that's okay with you guys. The sound of my Crocs are so satisfying. So, let's go. Lorenzo, that's my brother. If you don't know who he is, he has a YouTube channel too. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go to the water. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to take off my skirt because what could have made this big mark with it? It could be anything. Like now, guys, let's go to the water. And I got my raft, so let's go. And I also really like this raft. Sorry you guys can't see all of it.
We're not really going that deep, though.
I don't really like the wood, but like...
Which wood? This wood?
Yeah. I don't like that wood. The water mixed in with the wood.
Oh, that's not going to hurt you.
So you
it's
know.
Okay, we get a little sand in our hair today.
He's gonna have sand in his hair, in his bed, I guess.
Here we go.
Lorenzo, I got some water and I'm gonna get some more, okay?
Okay. I'm using this like a sword. I just threw some sand in the water. Okay.
Oh, it's frozen solid mud, huh?
Pour it out.
I can't.
It sticks to the thing.
You can't even pour it out?
No, because it's sticking to the thing.
Okay.
That looks like a croissant.
Why, Dad?
What does? Here,
That
show
does.
everybody.
Can you get all views of my face, Dad? Like,
Okay, hold on. Ready? Stay still.
My eyes. Hello guys, I'm eating some peanuts. And I also have this lemonade. Because if you don't drink lots of water, then you are gonna be dehydrated. So make sure to drink lots of water, Stella fam. Hi. I have lots of goosebumps. And Let me tell you why you should have goggles. Because it's really fun when you bring them, because you get to like dive down and swim. And if you need floaties, then it's okay, because you can look your head underwater. And if you don't want to do that, then that's okay. You can just look down at it.
If you just fall, you will just fall in slow motion. You will just fall in slow motion if you fall. Ah! See?
We found seaweed, but now it's gone. We found seaweed, but now it's gone. But it's okay.
Oh, my shoe.
What?
Hi again. Hi again. Hi again.
Oh. It's higher than that.
Do it.
Dad,
Yes.
bye. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe on her channel.
Yeah!